Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is August the 27th, 2021. Man, I need to come through today and talk to you all about VeChain. We need to see, okay, cool. We did a price prediction recently. Where in the world did the price go? Did we make any good profitability on our last play? And then we're going to talk about, okay, could we put on another price prediction so that we can continually win in the market? If you guys want to join us, as always, before I start any video, make sure you hit the like button. Share the video, also subscribe here to our channel. We want to make sure that everyone in our community is able to eat. And we're eating scrumptiously without confusing you. Yeah, we don't confuse you. We don't use that pointless and useless technical indicator that so many people are trying to get you all to learn, because it doesn't benefit you. And if anything does not benefit you, why in the world would you try to keep it? Why would you try to even use it? It's useless. That is technical indicators. We simply look at the price and the volume just to get understanding about what the market is feeling, right? About where the price is trying to go. That's all you need. You don't need anything else. So check this out. VeChain. Look at our last price prediction, okay? I'm not hiding anything from our community. We told everyone on this particular day, August the 12th, to look for the price in VeChain to drop, right? But we were still tracking the market in an upward trend. So we really wasn't being too bearish into the market in VeChain during that time, right? It was a very small stint that we saw the price in VeChain dropping. You see that? Either the price was going to follow this ascending line, drop to that point, or the market was going to come all the way down to like 9.097 cents right there. Now you can see that that wasn't the case. Instead, the trap was able to maintain price, and he was able to continue to lift up the market, right? So yeah, we didn't get it correctly. It didn't go right. The market continued to show forth the strength against our original price prediction, and it didn't happen. It goes that way. So the market pretty much, after it broke outside of our price prediction box, it pretty much just traded sideways, right? Right there between what, 12 cents to 14 cents. But now, what happened? Something very important happened into the market of VeChain yesterday. What was it? Do you see it on the chart? Something that we need to address and talk about. Check this out. This is what happened yesterday's trading day. You see that? Now, what happened yesterday against the overall trend? Because don't forget, VeChain was in an upward trend right there. It's been going higher in price since July. It was keeping itself above this ascending line since July. Just yesterday, we've really seen the price in VeChain break that trend. So even though our last price prediction into the market of VeChain was incorrect, depending on that time preference, we may be on course to see this price in VeChain continue to drop. Just saying. So let me get rid of this, right? Because I don't like how we predicted on our last video on VeChain here. So if we were to get out right now, it'd be 7.87% loss right there. Okay, just right there. Now, we didn't win that one. The trap got us on that particular prediction. So we need to make sure that we get him right back. We need to make sure that we take advantage of him and where he's trying to take this price in VeChain. So let me zoom out, okay? Because we've broken the trend. I don't care what anyone tries to tell you. The market price in VeChain has broken this overall trend. That is something that we need to address and talk about, because we don't want to be caught off guard and think that the price in VeChain is still going to go higher when in fact we got rejected here. Okay, look at this. So this particular area, 14 cents, it's not new. I mean, the market got rejected there previously. Back here in the beginning of June 2021, the market got rejected around 14 cents then. Then look at the ending of May. We got rejected once again. Again, look, May 18th, May 19th, the price in VeChain got rejected again. So for us to see price go down here, it should not have caught anyone by surprise. We've been here before. So that is one reason on top of us breaking that ascending line as to why the market price in VeChain is currently weak. Now, how weak do you think it really is? Because yeah, the price is weak, but we can still see this market come in and grab that support area around 10 cents, right? We can still see this price in VeChain come in and grab support. So let's see the price on a 2-day time frame, because VeChain is most definitely in weakness. I just got done doing a video for reserve rights token, and there's weakness there, but there's a little bit more strength entering the market in that space. So I really couldn't see a lot of weakness into the market in a reserve rights token, but I can definitely see it here on the 2-day time frame for VeChain, right? So we have to be prepared for a reduction in value for VeChain. You just got to be prepared for these things. Everything just don't go up all the time. Ask the people who bought VeChain back here in the beginning of May, because understand the market price in VeChain was, or a lot of the information, a lot of articles, a lot of videos that you probably have seen and heard was telling you that VeChain would never come back down in price, that the market was going to hit 50 cents, that it's going to hit $1, and here we are at 11, right? We're going through that same process now. The market here in VeChain is giving us some weakness. We still have weakness to go through. Look at the market on the 3-day, right? All of this time, okay, this is massive amount of information right here. These 3-day price bars, you guys can see that the market tried to break above 14 cents and it couldn't do it. It didn't have enough momentum. You know, a lot of people didn't want to come in and buy the market price in VeChain above 14 cents. We cannot knock them because they tried, but they failed. This is another clue, right? So you got to pick up these nuggets that the trap is giving us on a day-to-day basis. This information is valuable. So he's letting us know already, hey, I've tried 1, 2, 3, 4 times in 3 days. That's 12 days of trading that I've tried to break this price above 14 cents. And he's like, I give up. I'm done. I'm going to bring the price down. That's exactly what's going on. So we're going to have to continue to play that. We're going to have to watch him and see that for what it is. So what do you think our price prediction is going to be? Yeah, I think you got it. We're going to play the weakness into the market in VeChain. It's just that simple. Okay. Now, we already know price rejection was at 14 cents. Okay. So as long as this market in VeChain continues to trade below 14 cents, we're going to play the weakness. Right? Now, you guys can pretty much see that the weakness that we are anticipating is not severe, right? I'm not telling you that the market price in VeChain is going to collapse. No, but we can still see the value decrease. And that pretty much takes us right here within this trading channel, these two horizontal lines. Our first area of TP into the market in VeChain would be right there around 11 cents. Okay, 11, which would give us what? 7.25% profitability. We could eat off that. We all can eat comfortably off the price in VeChain dropping 7.25%. But guess what? I'm also seeing weakness on the longer time frame, i.e. 2 days, 3 days, that we can see the price come down here too, around 10.25%. I mean 10.25 cents, 0.1025. Just let me tell you that way. We can see the price come down there, and I think that's how we're going to play it. 13% is even better that we can eat off of into the market for VeChain. It's simple. That's simple, right? It wasn't nothing hard, nothing complicated. I didn't give you the stochastics, and I didn't say that the RSI was overburdened and overextended, and the analytical capability of the psychological mind frame of the MACD is not there. Like, that's ridiculous. Keep it simple. Let's see where the price has been, what it tried to do. Was it successful? Did it fail? Because that is all we need to know. So far, we're going to play the weakness on this one. Now, you're part of our team. Let me know, what do you all see on the price chart for VeChain? Are we going to go higher? We're going to go lower? Let's not make this complicated. Drop me your price prediction in the market for VeChain with a comment below, and we'll talk. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.